Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Google Play Store missing on your locate the Google Play Store on the TCL Google TV. You can you could follow these steps. First of all, open up your device, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of your TCL Google TV. Then from the settings menu, scroll down and select apps, after which click on see all apps and scroll down and select show system apps. You simply want to scroll through the list of system app until you locate Google Play Store. Make sure to click on the enable or open to launch the Google Play Store. This is how you could do it. So if Google Play Store is still not visible after these steps, you might need to check if your TCL TV model supports the Google Play Store, as not all smart TVs do. So you could also try troubleshooting by clearing all app data or resetting your device to factory settings. That could be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.